Hello. So we are back Thursday, and we have more jobs here. But I'll stop this one. This is a Hinge issue. This is a weird request. So the request from the customer on this one. Let me show you. So this is a request from the customer. Hinge fold and turn the speakers around. Yeah. So that's what the customer want, to turn around the speakers. From the simple reason this laptop has 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers on the back and only 2 on the front. Yeah, it's crazy, Actually, the people spend years on school, and after that, years probably to design this laptop, for a good acoustic. And obviously, these speakers are on the back from some reason. Yeah, so you have high frequency on the front, and you have the medium and low frequency on the back. And the customer wants to turn the speakers around, which of course I can't do it. I will explain him when he comes back. But it's not about that, it's about this phone. Let's speak about the behavior. This is iPhone 8 Plus. Because the diagnostic is very important. You do the diagnose with the customer next to you, yeah? So check this one. Actually, this was booked in initially by my colleague, charging port. So plug the charger. Yeah, it's not charging, that's right. But check, very careful, the current. You see that jumping current? Yeah? So when I see something like that, I know for sure the board is shorted. Yeah? It's not shorted the charging circuit from the current, the charging port, the current is coming to the charging circuit, and if the charging circuit is going to the main power rail, yeah, which is also battery is connected, and that one is shorted. That's the reason why the current is going up and down, because the 5 volts go on the charging IC, and the charging IC is trying to output the current. It's outputting the current, it's a shorter, and it's cutting down the power. That's the reason why you see that jumping on the current. Yeah, and obviously to confirm that, we can come with the power supply. We have a limit on the power supply. Ground, let's get the ground. And plus. Maybe there's no ground. Okay, so check there, 2.4 amps, and on the other side it's 1.3 volts. That 1.3 volts means a lot. Means the short is not here. Yeah. So from the battery connector, we have a MOSFET, which in case of anything, he will cut down the voltage from the battery. And after that, from that MOSFET is going to the main VCC power rail. Yeah. So the short is there. That's the reason why I don't have 0 volts. I have 1.2 volts. Yeah. Because the short is after that MOSFET. Okay. So let me take this out. I'll give this my colleague to take the board out, so we can check for a problem. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Okay. We'll see what is short there. But it's very important to diagnose something from the beginning, because this looks bad. Um, you took the phone. Oh, it's the charging port. It's that price. And after that, oh, it's not the charging port. Actually, it's the board, and the price is higher. So you have to call back the customer. Some people can take this as a scam. He tried to scam me. He tried to get more money from me. That's why you have to be professional and diagnose right the things when they come in the shop. Okay? This is a very weird laptop. Look, the both hinges are broken. The both hinges are broken. And look here on the back. It's missing. Even this part is missing from here. Anyway, my hot glue will do some miracles. But I didn't start the video for this one. Yeah, we made so many videos about hinges and hot glue. It's about the phone. Because obviously you are looking at the video, but not my colleagues. Nah. No, they are not looking. They are, you know, they already knows everything. Okay? We'll see now what's wrong with the board. Doesn't look like water damage. I'm curious because usually this can happen when it's a water damage. If it's no water damage, it's happened because you have a bad luck. Let's see the microscope. It's on. Yeah, it is on. And the hinge are fixed, yeah. And I haven't made a sandwich yet, yeah. You remember we are making a sandwich with you. So we stuck the hinge down, and also we are stacking everything with the back cover, yeah. So we will put more hot glue in the back cover, okay. And even if now it's nice, yeah. Thank you. Will be a lot better after that on the end. Okay, let's check the board. The board is like new condition, never been opened. Okay. Let's have a look together. Everything looks nice here. Yeah, nice and clean. So what can be shorted? That's the next question. What can be shorted here? Let's get the multimeter. I'll get the on-screen one. Not the on-screen, the other one. And you don't need a schematic to figure it out. Something is shorted, yeah? That's the MOSFET between the battery and the board. Here is no short. Here is no short. That's a resistor probably. I think that's the MOSFET, yeah? That's the one, yeah? Here is no short. There's nothing shorted. Okay, it's weird. Let's check the board for short again. Power supply minus. Wait, not there, not there, not there. Here, yeah. Here, that's ground. Yeah, it's still short. So that's ground is 0 volts. Obviously, it's a limit on amps, and here it's 1.2 volts. So it's still short. So I'm just curious, yeah. Let's get a multimeter. No, the short is not here, like how I said. So it has to be after the first MOSFET, if this is the MOSFET. I don't remember. Let's check the schematic, yeah? We have the free schematic here. You remember the phone board software, which is free. 1 second. What do we need? Phones, iPhone, A plus. And on A plus, let's see where the connector is going. Yeah, the battery connector. No, not that one. This one. It's going here, 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 and here is not short. Let's go on the other side and B. Zoom. So you see where it's going? Exactly what I told you. Here, the square thing. This is a MOSFET, so this is the input, and also it's going on this chip. This is I think this is Tigris, the charging IC actually. I think. And this is the output. Yeah, so this is our main power rail. So let's check on these two cups. Yeah, here. Let's check for short. Yeah. Multimeter. Let's check there, yeah. Short. Yeah, exactly what I told you. Let me get the on-screen meter. The on-screen meter is not beeping and it's more hard to work with. So check here, yeah. Here. Oh, sorry, it's not on screen. It's not even on. Okay, now it is. Diode mode. So one more time. Here, 0. Yeah? Here, 0. Obviously it's a short. What can be short here? Check again the schematic. Anything what is with red can be shorted. Yeah? So keep in mind, yeah? Anything what is red can be shorted. Wait, what I'm doing here? Okay, so whatever is red here can be shorted. Whatever is red. So red is mean it's a connection with main VCC plus, yeah? Including the Wi-Fi chip, including the power management chip, including the many other things. So in order to find out the short, you have to disconnect each component, which is quite hard. That's why we are coming with some amps and try to find the problem. My way, the easy way. So first, let's come with some amps. And hopefully the short is on this side. Here 0.5 and here 0.6. Okay, so that's plus. And I can't see anything. Let's go with more amps. More amps. .7 amps. I can't feel anything. 3.7 amps. And I can't see anything, like anything. You can see anything wrong here? No. 3.7 amps. It's not on focus, sorry. So with 3.7 amps, here is nothing is getting hot, which is kind of bad, because if it's on the other side of the board, not the other side, the other side, this side of the board, can be, the power management chip can be shorted. Okay, let's try again. So you can't see when where I put the power. I will put the power on the same place, but we can pay attention here to see any liquid movement. Nothing. One more time. Nothing. The Wi-Fi chip is not getting hot because I'll fill it, so it's not. Okay, officially this is bad. More. 4.4 amps. Let me see, maybe one side of the board is getting hot. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I forgot the microphone off, like usual. So it's 4.4 amps. And on the other side we have 1 volt, so that means the short is not here close. It has some resistance, so probably it's far. The resistance of the truck. But you know what? Something here is getting hot. I think. Yeah. Yeah, something is getting hot here. Let's have a look together. I think we missed something. And I just said it's not close, but it looks like it is. Check there. I think we missed that. See, that's why you have to pay attention. Check there. You can see that? Look, like that capacitor, it's alive. This one. You can see? I don't know if it's only this or even the next one. Let's see what that capacitor is doing. So on the schematic, is this one. This one from here. Oh, it's on main VCC. Okay. 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 So how we can take that capacitor out? So easy. So easy. Yeah. The capacitor is out. Let's check for short again. Ground. Yeah, here. No short anymore. You can see there's no short anymore. Okay. Look on the other side of the board. The battery. Ground. So that's ground is normal to be shorted, and that's plus, and it's not short anymore. Okay. So that's how you find a short. Microscope. Okay. So let's put the board back and see if it's working. Or let's clean it first. Dry it, sorry, dry it. One second. Yep. So in our case, this capacitor from here was shorted. It will work fine without the capacitor. Actually, it's more risky to replace that capacitor instead of leave it without it. Yeah? So just calculate the risk. The phone will work fine without this capacitor. So let's say on a different way. The benefit of that capacitor on the board, it's way more lower compared with the risk of replacing it. Yeah, because you have a lot of components here. You have the chestnut chip, you have the backlight IC, you have here the signal thingy. You know, if you have a capacitor which is shorter, just remove it and leave it like that. It's fine. It will work fine. It will not comply probably with the FCC rules. Yeah. You remember my solar project? So actually, I bought another ham radio, Icom 7300. There is no way I can use that inverter with the radio. It's incredible what kind of rubbish is taken out, like interference. Yeah, it's I can't use the radio with the inverter on. That's crazy. That's the reason why that inverter is not approved by it's not. It's these kind of things like power supplies, inverters. They have to have good filters, the input of the output, so everything switching stay inside, not go outside. Hmm? Don't be inquadrant. Yeah, the phone is ready. Working fine. Okay, so that's our board. You put the board back and it's working fine, and obviously it will charge fine right now. Yeah, plug the charger. Check there. 1.3 amps, 1.4 amps. So the phone is working perfectly. Okay, obviously without that capacitor. So I'll stop this video now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Very important. Only if you like. And see you on the next one. I'll try to find out more interesting jobs. Bye.